Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into passive income ideas for beginners, simple ways to make money while you sleep. If you're looking to build financial freedom, this guide is for you. 1. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks lets you earn regular income without selling your shares. Platforms like Robinhood, M1 Finance, or Fidelity make it easy to get started with just a small investment. 2. Rental income. If you own property, you can rent it out for passive income. No property? Try platforms like Airbnb to rent out a spare room or vacation home. Top 3. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products through your blog, YouTube, or social media. Websites like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or CJ Affiliate connect you with brands that pay for referrals. 4. Print-on-demand business. Design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them on platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, or Printful without handling inventory. 5. Sell digital products. Create and sell ebooks, templates, or online courses through platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Udemy. Once uploaded, they can generate income continuously. 6. High-yield savings accounts. Earn interest by keeping money in a high-yield savings account with banks like Ally, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, or Capital One 360. 7. YouTube channel or podcast. Create content and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and memberships on platforms like YouTube or Spotify. 8. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like LendingClub or Prosper let you lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. 9. Rent out your car. Use Turo or Getaround to rent your car when you're not using it and earn passive income. Automate it. Set up a store using Shopify and Oberlo to sell products without managing inventory or shipping. Passive income doesn't happen overnight, but these ideas can help you build wealth over time. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips. See you in the next one.